Hello and welcome to India Wood in its 25th edition, commencing here in the national capital. I'm your host, Shunakshi Chakravarti, and joining me right now here in this massive, really beautiful looking booth of Action Tessa are the chairman and the MD of the company, with both Mr. Agarwal. He is going to talk to us more about, of course, the company, the roadmap, the vision, but more importantly, their partnership with India Wood over the last many years. Remember, this is the 25th edition. Mr. Agarwal, thank you so much. Namaste. Thank you for joining us and taking the time out to speak to us. Action Tessa is a leading brand. Of course, मैं चाहूँगी कि आप उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बोले, बट मैं पहले आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहती हूँ ये पूछने से कि आपका जो एसोसिएशन रहा है over the years with India Wood, how has it been?
So, you just said Action Tessa is the leading brand, and yes, we are proudly the leading brand in the country. Uh, Tessa has its own category. So, in our industry, there are three categories. One is Tessa category, which is 5 to 7% more expensive and more quality product. Then branded category, which has green panel, green ply, essential ply, whatever, right? And then unbranded category. So Tessa has reached to this position thanks to India Wood, thanks to you guys, because we've been associated with India Wood from last since inception. We started in 2010, and we were there in India Wood Bangalore. Then every year we are here. So India Wood, we are very thankful. They are a part of our journey. I have seen like we are growing, India Wood is also growing. More number of halls, more number of stalls. So India Wood is really a big contribution to our engineered wood panel industry. Sa-
I want to ask you about the potential of this market in India and internationally. Can you talk to us a little bit about the potential of this market? If you have some numbers that you can share with us, because you are a leading brand, you will be able to share more with us. So, if you can talk to us about.
So, so we are all in the building material sector और कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर उसमें एक स्टील इंडस्ट्री होती है, एक सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री होती है। इसी तरीके से हमारी ये इंजीनियर वुड पैनल इंडस्ट्री है जिसमें प्लाईवुड भी है और प्लाईवुड ट्रेडिशनली यूज होता है और जिसमें ही एमडीएफ पार्टिकल बोर्ड एचडीएचएमआर बॉयलो ये सब होता है, राइट? सो एज एन इंडस्ट्री plywood and us together, we are around 75,000 CR for furniture, right? Out of which MDF, particle board, and all they constitute around 8 to 10,000. So they are like 10% of the total market size, right? Whereas internationally, when you go, internationally, what happens is that 90% is MDF, particle board, HDHMR, which we manufacture, and only 10% is plywood, right? So, as an industry wise, it's a huge sector, and like internationally, in India also, this will change from 10% of engineered wood panel to 90% and plywood becoming 10%. So we have a good runway. We've been growing good with a good runway, 20-25% CAGR, and going forward also we plan to do the same.
Those were some very interesting numbers that you could share with us. I'm sure the audience will benefit out of it. Sustainability is such a buzzword. Everybody talks about sustainability, but not a lot of people do enough about it. So, a lot of businesses are actually taking a pledge towards sustainability in their core business values. So, at Action Tessa, are you also taking any measures, any steps towards a better tomorrow or a greener tomorrow or a sustainable
Yes.
future?
So, you know, TESA में एक S आता है that stands for being sustainable, right? Now, why are we sustainable? See, the wood that we are using is an agro crop. इक्लिप्टस, पॉपुलर, और वो फार्मर लोग अपने वो ट्रीज लगाते हैं बिकॉज उनको वो छाँव भी मिल जाती है उससे, पानी की भी वो बैलेंस, सॉइल बैलेंस भी बना रहता है. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज बाय by focusing on agro crop, government is also supporting us a lot. So we are doing a lot for environment and for the sustainability of the environment.
So the S in Action TESA, in TESA, as Mr. Agarwal said, stands for sustainability, and the company is doing its bit for sustainable measures for a better tomorrow.
Also, I would also like to tell you, we are giving saplings to the farmers, right? At a practically free of cost. 1 rupee is nothing, right? 1 2 rupees. And in 2.5 years, that sapling grows to a full blown tree. For 2.5 years, it helps those farmers for their crop soil mixture, for their what do you call, chaya, yeah, whatever you say that, right? And then we use it, and we are giving every month 2 lakh saplings to the farmers. So we doing a lot because, and we have an app called Kalpatru app, in which all the farmers are associated with us, and we distribute those samplings to those farmers through our Kalpatru app.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that with us. My last couple of questions. What makes Action TESA stand out, stand apart from its contemporary? What makes you a leading brand and a leading name? It's your time to.
Yeah, so Action TESA, we all proudly say, and the whole industry says, is koi nahi aisa. Action TESA, koi nahi aisa, nobody like us. And we are not saying it with koi घमंड या अहंकार. We are saying with आत्मविश्वास. And all our TESA warriors, we call all our team members as warriors, right? And they are very, very, they have a full self-respect and self-pride in saying that we are koi nahi aisa, right? And why we are koi nahi aisa is we were the first ones in the country to get the MDF. We were the first ones in the country to get the particle board. This flooring you are seeing, we bought it to India. It was getting imported, but we were the first ones. UV shutters, acrylic shutters, they all were the first ones from TESA. Then TESA gave the revolutionary products, HDHMR and Boilo. Now, HDHMR, which TESA first introduced in the whole globe, not just India, पूरे वर्ल्ड में, वो एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट हमने निकाला जो प्लाईवुड की मार्केट को खींच रहा है. मतलब जो भी ये 40,000 करोड़ की प्लाईवुड की मार्केट है, वो फास्टली HDHMR से निकल रही है. We came with the technology, we patented that technology. This name, which has become a generic name, HDHMR, belongs to us. It's our registered trademark.
है.
So it's like Xerox of जैसे आपको क्या फोटो कॉपी करानी है तो आप लोग बोल देते हो Xerox कर लो, या सुबह बच्चों को बोल देते हो पेस्ट ना करने की बजाय बोल देते हो कोलगेट कर लो. तो लोग कहते हैं HDHMR लगाओ, प्लाईवुड मत लगाओ. वो हमारे पास है, हमारी पेटेंटेड टेक्नोलॉजी है, नाम हमारा है, लेकिन बाकी लोग मिलते जुलते नाम रखकर HDXMR और समथिंग समथिंग समथिंग, राइट? They are also doing it, but market likes us. They like our quality. They pay us more, around 7-8% to any of our competitors. And I'm thankful for my team to do that. We also have very, very, not just products. In our marketing also, we have this app called TESA Connect, by which all our carpenters, around 80,000 carpenters are joined that app. All our dealers, all our, there are around 70,000-80,000 dealers, not direct billing, from our distributor. And our distributors, our architects, carpenters, any other influencer, they all are connected with our app, right? So this is first of a kind revolution that TESA come up with in marketing. Similarly, you must have seen that bus.
Yes.
And you must record that bus also, besides my thing. And that is see, we are in the exhibition like India Wood, which happens like once in a year, right? Now, but we need to go to all the tier 2, tier 3 cities, to all the architects who cannot come to the exhibition. That's why we have that studio on wheels, which is also an innovation. And in fact, uh, I mean, let boosting हो जाएगा, लेकिन uh, this is something you'll be going to be awarded also for that by international fraternity for whatever innovations that we are doing. And so we have this special edition which will show it to you, that will tell you about why we are different, right? And we have some themes like we do Tessa Salam to all our carpenters, to all our dealers. That's our way of greeting them. We were the first ones in the country who started celebrating Carpenters Day. Nobody was celebrating it. It's on 24th September and nobody was celebrating it. We started it. It's our Tessa Salam to all of them. We have Tessa Connect, by which all the people have associated with us. Right. We have something called, with working on it, Tessa Insight, right? So whatever furniture you see, it will be like a Godrej furniture, or it will be like a Featherlight furniture, or IKEA furniture. But does it has Tessa Insight? That is because customers want Tessa. Right. So no matter whatever furniture is selling, like Intel Insight, does it has Tessa Insight? That is okay, right? And if it has Tessa Insight, then their furniture need not worry. It will last maxil.
Mr. Agarwal, thank you so much. You gave us so much interesting insights. My last question to you, before you give us a Tessa Salam, my last question is a message to the India Wood team and your experience with India Wood, and a message for the team, because they really throughout the year work very hard to put this together. So why is it important to have this event, and a message for them?
Yeah. First of all, a big Tessa Salam to all the India Wood team, our team, because we are associated with India Wood, right? India Wood is, हर इंडस्ट्री की एक दाई होती है. तो ये आप लोगों का जो ये है, जो आप बैंगलोर में करते हो, दिल्ली में करते हो, एंड टुडे आई वाज सीइंग बॉम्बे वुड, कोलकाता वुड, राइट? सो salute to you. Your contributions to our industry is, and you are blessed to be associated, because you are doing a lot for this industry, right? You are the ones who are telling the customer what this engineered wood panel is all about. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tessa Salam.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Namaste.